Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings with Windows plus I. This gets you straight to System Controls. Once there, navigate to Personalization and click Colors so you can change accent behavior. You must enable the option labeled Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. This allows the taskbar to inherit your chosen color. Make sure you pick between Windows Color and Custom Accent. The difference affects light/dark contrast and visibility on pinned icons. Next, you choose the accent color that will paint your taskbar. You can let Windows pick an automatic accent from your wallpaper, manually pick a color, or enter a hex value for precise branding. Once selected, confirm the Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar toggle remains on, then observe the preview. If the color looks washed out, turn Transparency Effects off to make it opaque, because that increases saturation and improves legibility of icons and text. To finish, apply any remaining theme choices like light or dark mode and then check the taskbar. Changes usually appear instantly. If you don't see the new color, restart File Explorer or sign out and back in to force a UI refresh. If toggles are missing, make sure Windows is updated and no enterprise policies lock colors. One key troubleshooting tip: if colors still fail, restart the machine. That clears cached UI state and typically resolves persistent display mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.